Ever been on the cusp of a stair, heart in your throat, as that near miss sent shivers down your spine? Today, we're about to shift gears from that uneasy dread to unwavering confidence. Ready to conquer every step with newfound mastery? Come, let's embark on this transformative journey. Stairs, omnipresent in our lives, are like silent companions, guiding our ascents and descents. But every now and then, a misstep reminds us of their daunting side. It's high time we strengthen our stair game, don't you think? Secret number 1. 3-point contact. This isn't just a tactic, it's the cornerstone of stair safety. Each time you're on those steps, ensure 2 feet and 1 hand are in tandem. Handrails. They've been underused for too long. Think of them as silent guardians, always at your side. Never underestimate their supportive role. Secret number 2. Your foot's best friend. Every task demands its unique toolkit. When tackling stairs, non-slip soles are your ultimate allies. They grip when you slip, providing that crucial split-second balance correction. It's not just about shoes, it's about choosing the right armor for the battle. Secret number 3. 100% present, 100% safe. We live in a multitasking world, but stairs demand exclusivity. Those buzzing notifications, calls, or fleeting thoughts. Park them aside. On the stairs, every step deserves its own dedicated moment. Secret number 4. The health of your stairs. Just as we need regular checkups, stairs do too. Loose railings, wobbly steps, or even that deceptive carpet, each irregularity can spell potential danger. By addressing these, you're setting the stage for a flawless performance. Secret number 5. The art of stair climbing. There's an unsung elegance in climbing stairs. No rushing, no haste, just a composed dance between you and the steps. Remember, speed may thrill, but steadiness ensures safety. Secret number 6. Handrails, the unsung heroes. If you've been ignoring these, it's time for a rethink. Dual handrails. That's like having 2 seasoned guides for your journey, double the assurance, double the safety. Secret number 7. Reading between the lines. Warning signs are like the sage-old wizards of stairways. Each "mind your step" or "slippery ahead" is a nugget of wisdom, guiding you to adapt your approach. Secret number 8. Knowledge, your safety net. While we always aim for prevention, life has its curveballs. In case of an unforeseen mishap, basic first aid knowledge is your safety net, potentially turning dire situations around. Midpoint reflection. The essence of today's guide isn't just about safety, it's about empowerment. As you internalize these secrets, the stairs transform from mere concrete steps to a testament of your commitment to safety. Enjoying the insights so far? If yes, hit that subscribe button and join our journey towards mastering everyday challenges. As we approach the end, remember, knowledge is only as good as its application. Will your next stairway encounter be just another mundane task, or will it reflect today's insights? A thought for you all: ever had a quirky stair encounter where today's secrets could have changed the game? Pour your tales below. And before you get lost in the comments, here's another gentle nudge: if this guide lights up your day, don't forget to subscribe. Be part of our community, and let's transform everyday challenges into masterclasses. Lastly, a pinned comment for our vibrant community: ever stepped on a staircase that took your breath away with its design? Dive in, narrate, and let's celebrate the art in the everyday. To stepping with grace, ascending with confidence, and descending with pride. Here's to making every step count. Remember, every staircase is an opportunity to showcase your mastery. Walk with knowledge, confidence, and grace. And if you found value in this guide, consider subscribing and joining our community. Here's to safe and savvy stepping.